So today I'll be updating my BYD SEAL from firmware 2503 to 2506, the latest firmware that will completely change the layout of the BYD SEAL infotainment. So just to prove to you, this is how you check the firmware you have right now. You go from the menu and you go to systems, and then you check on the version detail, and as you can see, my system version is 13.1.33.2503. 2503 is the system version, and 33 is my BYD SEAL. So just to note, the BYD Atto, BYD Dolphin is version 32. So 33 again is my BYD SEAL. So maybe I'll provide the link in the description to download the version for your BYD SEAL. As you can see, the reason why I'm showing this update is because I want to manually update my version to the latest one. When I press upgrade, it doesn't show any latest on the air update, so that's why I will be doing a manual update using latest firmware that I found online. So I already put the folder inside the root of my USB drive, and I will be inserting this in the USB port to upgrade my firmware. For now, I'll just show how the step-by-step guide on how to install your new firmware on your BYD SEAL. So when you plug in the USB drive, it should automatically prompt you to install the firmware. So I'm plugging it in, and then it already automatically says to wait patiently, and it will take some time to upgrade. So again, it's advisable to do this while you're parked and maybe at home, so you don't need to drive the car. So this will take some time, probably 20 minutes or so. I'll probably skip this part and I'll just jump to when it will start updating, or maybe when it's finished updating. So I'll see you back. Don't worry if it's stuck like this, it will take some time to load. So it says here it's installing the system update. So it says here, during the system upgrading, some functions of the system cannot be used and do not drive the vehicle, otherwise BYD will not bear any legal liability for all consequences. So as advised, you cannot drive while it's in updating mode. Although I did try before, while updating it can still drive, but the system will be in simple mode. All you can see is the speed and the advanced functions like auto lane keep assist will not work. So basically it's installing right now. It will take about a few minutes, and we'll cut to that after it's done. So the update is finished, and we'll see whether it all works out well. So the boot animation is still the same as the previous version. Let's see how does the menu look like. So it says USB flash disk upgraded successfully, so I can remove it now. So I'll just scroll up and just press agree. And all the agreement, I'll just agree to it. And so this is the new layout, I guess. Oh, so it emphasizes the wallpaper rather than having the three big icons. And if you do swipe to the left and right, it doesn't show you all the apps anymore. I assume you have to press this one. Yes, so these are all the applications that were from my previous version. Let's see if my Android CarPlay device works or not. Let me plug it in first. Usually it will auto start. This is my my Android device where I usually store all my. Okay, so let's restart the calibration. Okay, so it's restarting. So basically the Android box is where I install my third-party apps like YouTube or Spotify, so I don't have to load it in my infotainment directly, but I do have it installed here. Just as you can see here, I did install my YouTube and everything. Let me find it. Oh. So this is the Android box. Let's see if it still works. It looks probably the same. Yep. Still same old. Can still access all my apps here, just as usual. Let's play my YouTube. Yep, YouTube still works. Let's try playing a video.
Now that Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater has
Let's see whether if we put it in full screen, will it be full screen? No. So you'll still get all the controls on the bottom, and on the top you'll see the time and all the indicators. So let's go back. I'll just pause this one and we'll go back to the home, and we'll go back to the infotainment. So let's confirm. Let's go to the settings. It looks almost the same, or I can tell that the BYD car itself is actually the new BYD SEAL 2025. I can tell because the wheels are different than mine. So mine is basically the 2024 version. So let's see what else can we see from here. I think it's almost the same. Okay, locks. Wait, see lights, steer light. Well, you can control the daytime running light. You can switch that off pretty easily now. Okay, it has animation as well. You can see it's shut off. Now it's on. Headlight height, intelligent high beam. I just switch that off. Courtesy headlights. Okay. See locks. Yeah, it's still the same. Windows. Yep. I set mine to auto lock while driving. It's interesting. There's also a digital key here. I can tell that there's two phones that has the digital key in it. See on the sound and display. Yeah, everything looks the same. Notification. Okay. Screen. I think it looks the same as well. I put my mode into auto, so in the morning it will be light, and at night it will be dark. See instrument cluster, still the same. Yep. The HUD is basically the head-up display. I think it looks the same. Increase the brightness. Yeah, looks good. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay. I don't know if you can tell. So basically, when I look in front, I can see all the ADAS. So when I switch off the ADAS, oh, it's all gone. It's just simple. So when I press back on, you can see the ADAS. Hopefully you can see it through my meta glasses. Let's see, energy, generative braking, I put it into the standard. Okay. Oh, there's battery preheating, so I guess in colder countries it will be very useful, but here in my country it's very hot, so I don't need to switch that on. Charging port immobilizer system, I'm not sure what that is, so I'll just leave it disabled as default. Consumption, yeah, still the same as before. So my car is already like 18,000 kilometer. See vehicle, I think it's almost the same. Yeah, looks good. Comfort, yeah, looks good. Okay, let's see, service, maintenance. Next maintenance is within 85 days, I guess. Okay, looks good. Let's see the ADAS. Yep. Looks okay. Yeah, so basically when I put assist lane departure assist, when it's in assist mode, it will show the yellow symbol. It's still there. It will only go away if I put the assist mode into both, then it's gone. If I put in prevent, it will show orange, warning also orange, and off also orange, so that's pretty annoying, but oh well. I'll just put it as warning as before. Okay, parking sensor is still the same. System okay. So over here, I think should be the same as well. General, yep, nothing has changed that much. And let's see the version. As you can see, the version now is 33.2506, so that's the latest version. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. So let's move to the home screen again. When you swipe left to right, nothing changes. You cannot see the apps unless you press the apps button over here, down here, and by default it shows you the tire pressure, the Bluetooth connection, I guess. I'm not connecting my Bluetooth phone, I guess. Let's see, radio. I don't need radio, so I guess I'll put on Spotify maybe. Okay, now I have to, okay, just accept. I'll put in my login first. Well, I can scan straight away. Let me just sign in my Spotify first. Okay, now I'm logged into my Spotify. Oh, it looks good. Pretty good. So let's try some songs. Some Sleep Token. Okay, let's try the song. The layout is quite different when put into this mode. So let's try. Okay, looks good. There's no lyrics, so that's different. I guess this is like Spotify for like cars, so you don't get distracted by the lyrics, maybe. But it looks good. Looks very clean. Maybe if I put in dark mode, it'll be like in dark mode as well. Okay, looks good. Library, yeah, looks good. So what else? What else can I put inside here? So I can put any apps that I want, any app shortcut. Let's try put it on YouTube. I did sideload this one. I won't show you how to do it, but I did sideload YouTube here in my infotainment directly. Okay, looks good. Seems like I can play YouTube as usual, although it's not advisable to watch YouTube while you're driving. But hey, as long as you pay attention to the road is your priority, then I guess you can do you, I guess. So let's try playing something. Just try any random video. So let's see whether it can go to full screen. Yeah, it works well. It's in full screen. Cannot see the bottom and top bars. And you can also put it into, let's see, the highest resolution. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, you can go all the way up to 4K. So that's good. So let's just go back. The gestures still work to go back. Okay, let's see what else can we do. Let's see. Okay, wow, it's a new layout. Looks good. Let's see. Switch on the ventilation. Wow, looks good. Looks good. AC is still the same, I guess. Oh, now it has like notches to increase the fan speed, so the direction. Guess I can put both at the same time. Okay, looks good. Can adjust temperature individually or put it in sync. So here I can put as 19 maybe, and the other side will be like 22, just in case. I can even sync it, make it both like 19. What else? Yeah, it looks good. I can still adjust the direction of the vents. Yeah, looks the same. And I guess this is the purification. Yeah, looks good. Says air purification is excellent. That's good. What else? What else can I check here? I guess you can change the let's see again, change to Spotify. Let's say if I play something, let's show all the info here, so I can press next and pause and go directly to Spotify, and then it will show here Spotify as well, so it can be a shortcut as well. What else? So this one shows the tire pressure, but it's just a widget. It only displays information, cannot press or anything. What if I hold? So I can take it out, or okay, maybe what's this? So I can add more if I want to. So I do have this app where I can monitor my 360 camera and record. Basically, it's a Sentry mode for BYD, but I have to sideload it. So what else? What's this? So this is basically the themes. Maybe this one looks good. Maybe I'll apply this one. Yeah, looks good. And if you do want to change the wallpaper, I assume all I have to do is go here, check the utilities maybe, and go to file manager. So basically you can put any images inside your pen drive or SD card, and you just drop it down here, and maybe, yeah, so basically these are the images that's in my local drive. Maybe I could view images, and I have a picture here, and I can just set as wallpaper. So yeah, basically that's how you change wallpaper inside your BYD. Yeah, I guess that should be it. Let's see. Yeah, you can still change the layout of the bottom navigation panel. So yeah, there's nothing else that I want to change. It's still good. Although I don't really use this one, maybe I'll just minus that one. What's this? Ventilate only. Let's try that one. Let's see, what's this? Ventilate only. Oh. I'll just change it to seat adjustment. Change the layout to here, maybe. Yeah, that looks okay. Let's check the BYD store, whether there's any new apps that I can download. Yeah, still the same. Maybe I'll update the karaoke app, the arcade app. Yeah, everything looks probably the same. There's no new apps. Okay. Let's see whether we can still install apps. I'll switch on my Opera Mini. Maybe I'll go to APK Pure. Let's see what's in APK Pure that we can install just for testing. Yeah, maybe I'll try installing, I don't know, Facebook. Let's try download an APK, and this is just for testing. Oops, close that ad, download this. Okay, let's try downloading the APK. Yep, press download. See where downloads. Okay, while this is downloading, let's see what else can check. Okay, there's what if we drag down? Okay, there's still the quick menu bar. You can still adjust the brightness, the volume. Yeah, everything looks quite the same. Ventilation. Yeah, it just sticks to this menu. It's not a quick toggle. Is this custom? Oh, I can add more, I guess. Okay, looks good. This is the toggle to switch on the sound when you're driving slow. Okay, but I'll just switch that off. I like my car silent. What else can I? Oh, this is the quick menu. What's this? Oh, that's pretty neat. So I can quick toggle my connection, so cellular data, my Wi-Fi, and it's connected to my Wi-Fi from my phone. Okay, what else? Bluetooth, wireless charging. So I switched on my wireless charging on this pad. So when I put it here, it says it's wirelessly charging, and there's an animation saying it's wireless charging. When I press it, doesn't take me to the wireless charger menu. Okay, it's okay. What's this? Location currently enabled. So I guess I can put in my Google Maps maybe. So done. So when I press Maps, Google Maps is also side-loaded. So okay, here I can navigate using Google Maps. I can even use Waze if I want to, but Google Maps is fairly okay. It does lag a bit. Let's say I want to go to, let's say I want to go somewhere here. Let's say just choose a random spot. Okay, directions. Let's say I start. Yep, it does work.
Head northeast toward Simpang 442, then turn left onto Simpang 442.
Okay, looks good. I'll just cancel that and exit. Let's go back to the browser, the Opera. Let's see whether the download is done. Yep, it's done. So let's try installing it, whether I can still install. Yeah, looks pretty much the same. Oops, I guess the APK is not compatible with the infotainment, but it still looks okay. It looks like I can still install apps just as usual. Maybe Facebook is not compatible with the car infotainment, but overall I think it looks okay. I know people are not really happy with the new layout of this infotainment, but I think it's good. I mean, I like seeing my wallpaper. It looks more clean. I don't need 3 big icons blocking the wallpaper. Guess I'll just have to arrange it more neatly, so maybe I can move this. I don't really need this that much, and doesn't seem like I can delete that one. This one, I don't need this so much as well because I'm using my CarPlay, not my Bluetooth. Yeah, I think this looks good. The layout seems okay. Maybe I'll put my Sentry here, my YouTube closer to me, maps over here, maybe map over there, maybe CarPlay over here. Yeah, it looks good now. Overall, I think the new update looks good. Doesn't look like it lags or anything. Still looks good. I think everything still works as usual. Let's see, my dash cam still works. Okay. Oh, there's a BYD app shortcut as well over there. Other than that, I think everything looks probably the same as before. So yeah, now I guess that should be it for my video. Do ask me any questions if you have any in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer as much as I can, and thank you for watching.